Hi, first grade. Today we will show what we have learned all year long. We will take our end of year STAR math test. Why? Because it's important to be able to show everything that we've learned. So what you're going to do, if you are at home, you're going to click on class link, or at school, if you're at school too. You're going to click on class link. Then you're going to go to the Renaissance R. Then you're going to go to the STAR math symbol. It has the red triangle. Don't click on the brown one, you'll get Spanish. Click on the red triangle. And then it's going to ask you if you are inside your school. Answer yes if you are. Answer no if you're not. Then this STAR math symbol will come up and you will click Start. If you are at home, please, please, please complete this test by yourself. It will read the questions to you. You don't need anybody to read the questions to you, so you don't need any help. No help on this test. It has to see what you have learned, what you know. Okay? Promise? Okay. At school, you need to put on your headphones and you need to listen to every single question before you choose the right answer. You choose the best answer if you don't know the right answer. But you listen to every single question. Do you understand? Okay. So when your teacher says to get started, you will all start together at the same time. There will be no talking. We cannot help you. You must do your best. Remember, no help at home. Okay? Do this on your own. Please, please, please. Okay. Do your best. You got this. You did a lot of hard work all year. So now you are ready to show me what you've learned. Have a good day. Good luck. Then you can go to your extra math and your iStation math quietly when you're finished. Again, good luck. Do your best. You can do it. Bye, guys.